Looking for a walkers with seats? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 best walkers with seats available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect walkers with seats for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the Drive Medical Walker with Seat. This walker with a seat has non-marking wheels, which makes it suitable to be used on most surfaces. Moreover, the handle height is adjustable and the walker can be folded for easy transport and storage. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Medline Walker with Seat. This comfortable walker with a seat is best for both indoors and outdoors. It can support weights of up to 350 pounds and it has a convenient tool-free assembly that makes it easy to use. The 6-inch wheels of this walker are durable and long-lasting. Moreover, the foldable design makes it easy to carry around and store. At number 3 on our list, we have the Healthcare Direct 100RA Steel Rollator Walker. This steel walker with a seat is sturdy and reliable. Moreover, it weighs only 19 pounds, but it can support a weight of up to 350 pounds. It has a spacious seat with dimensions of 12 by 12 inches. This walker with a seat has a bag under the seat for some extra storage. Moreover, it is fast folding and has a comfortable padded seat and backrest. At number 2 on our list, we have the Carrex Steel Rollator Walker with Seat. This walker with a seat is sturdy as it is made of steel. It is thoughtfully designed with a 17-inch distance between handles. It comes with locking hand grips, which makes it convenient for the elderly. This walker with a seat is easily collapsible and can be fitted into a car trunk with ease. It can support up to 350 pounds of weight and has a padded seat and backrest for comfort. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Hugo Mobility Elite Rollator Walker with Seat. This walker with a seat is suitable to be used both indoors and outdoors. Moreover, it comes in an attractive dark blue color and provides you with ample space for storing your valuables. This walker with a seat can support a weight of up to 300 pounds. Moreover, it has ergonomic hand grips that won't tire your hands. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.